I'm always a liability. Hey, why am I stalling out going in gear?
Huh?
Why am I stalling out going in gear?
Not getting enough gas. You gotta ride it like a two-stroke.
I've never ridden a two-stroke.
They have very little momentum in their engine. So very little engine braking.
Yeah.
So when you're riding it, alright, when you get the throttle closed, there's no fuel and oil going through it, so there's no lubrication to the engine. So just careful with engine braking, because it won't have any.
Yeah.
And you could run this engine dry. Not doing that, but give it a little fuel. You gotta be on the clutch basically all the time.
Okay. Hey, buddy. Holy shit! What is up, YouTube? Logan here, out at my in-laws' family farm, out enjoying a little dirt biking. This is only like the second time I've ever been on a dirt bike, and my first time on a two-stroke, and damn, this thing is fun. Watch me pull myself off of the seat. God, this thing is a fucking blast. Get it, dude! Get it! I'm still kind of getting the hang of it, so I know this is a little boring just watching me do circles, but I'm having fun. I will say I've stalled this thing like 4 times because it's odd. That's my little nephew right there, my home slice. We're gonna go get some daps. Dap it up. That's why you wear gloves. Come on. And I stalled it. Amateur hour. Weak ass kicks. Oh man, the steep hill. This is such a weird, like the two-stroke thing is kind of hard to get used to. Hey! Man, I can't find neutral on it. I think this is a CR250? I don't really know. Where did Paul go? God, this thing's a lot of fun. I need a dirt bike, guys. Hey, you know, I knew buying a dual sport helmet would come in handy at some point. I fit right in here, and I don't have to wear goggles. That's neutral.
It's hard to find neutral on it.
Huh?
It's hard to find.
Yeah, I know. That's why I keep stalling it. That should be first. Second. Probably shouldn't have told him I was following him. Woo. Wish I probably should have done this up against a tree. What's up, big homie?
Nothing. Scratch yourself.
You what?
I scratched myself on the plant.
Don't do that. Say hey. Say hey, YouTube. Oh, there they come. Let's see if I can do this again. God, I'm bad at this. Somebody's probably gonna flame me and be like, "You're really bad at this," and I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, I am really bad at this. This is my first time, people. Get over it." Especially in an area that I don't know that well. But hot damn, this is fun. Especially with this little dude right here. My home skillet. I think I might switch over to the CRF 230 after this, because I don't know how I feel about wheeling in every damn gear. This is too fast for my own good. Another tree stand in an old barn. A Bjorn. That thing's neat. Like an old foundation to a house. Oh God. Ow, my fucking nuts. My knuckin' futs. Check that stuff out later. I gotta remember how to get back here. God damn it. That's right, snap back into place. You old bitch. I could do this. I could be a motocross guy. There's so much hunting stuff. How many animals come through here? Jack attack! He's trying to hit me, I think. He's trying to like Mad Max me off the road. Go! Go! Every time! Show off.
Hey, Daddy, I'm hot.
You're hot?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Everybody else is in jackets, you're in shorts. And he's off. I kicked that thing like a fucking mule. They call me Logan First Gear. Wish I could hold it a little longer. That's what she said. High fives. Ugh. Don't fall over. The world is our oyster.
Let me show you another trail so you'll know where to go.
Okay. Corbin, can you kickstart this thing for me? My leg's getting tired. I think snap right back in place. The sticker bushes. Ho, 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 ho. Rear tire, what is that? Into the trees. I need to just quit being a puss about it and just let it rip. When in doubt, throttle out, right? We will definitely be back here later. Hot damn, this is fun. Another tree stand. Some sweet barbed wire fence that I bet feels great to run into. Oh God, Paul, I've lost you. The fact that I didn't fall in the river twice should say bounds about my abilities, right? Oh shit. Hey man, that's the way to do it, right? Now to try and get it back down the hill without knocking it over. Alrighty. Oh god. You know, I'm a tall guy. I'm like 6'1", 6'2"-ish. Something along those lines. This is a... thing's kind of a bitch and a half to get onto. What gear am I in? At first. If I could find neutral, I'd be in neutral. Yeah, I think that's it. If I also wasn't such a pansy about it. Might need a new helmet after this. The old variant is taking some licks. You see, the problem is I'm riding with professionals right now. And I am but an amateur. But I can do that. I love these kids. Jack likes to blaze his own trail and almost hit me. Come on, bud. Whatever. You know what? Whatever. You can be that way.